Find the HCF of 96 and 4404 by the prime factorization method and find their LCM. Find the HCF of 96 and 404 by the prime factorization method and find their LCM. The prime factorization of 96 and 404 gives 96 is equal to 2 for 5 into 3 and 404 is equal to 4 2 into 101. 96 is equal to 4 5 into 3 and 404 is equal to 2 for 2 is into 101. Therefore, the HCF of these two integers is 2 for 2 is equal to 4. The highest common factor of these two integers is 4. Also, LCM of 96, 404 is equal to 96 into 404 by HCF of n 96 in 96, 4, 4. Okay, again LCM of 96, 404 is equal to 96 into 404 by highest common factor of 96, 404 by formula. HCF of A comma B is into LCM of A comma B is equal to A into B. So here LCM into HCF is equal to A comma A into B. Okay, again LCM into HCF is equal to A into B. Okay, A into B. LCM into HCF is equal to A into B. Okay.